ECOWAS at 49, Touray calls for unity to end insecurity. The President of Economic Community of West African States, Omar Touray, has called for unity among member states as a crucial step towards ending insecurity in the sub-region. Touray made this statement on Tuesday during the commemoration of ECOWAS' 49th anniversary, themed Strengthening Regional Unity, Peace and Security. Touray emphasized that regional unity was essential for preserving peace and security, which are core objectives established by the founding fathers of the Commission. Reflecting on the history of ECOWAS, Touray noted that the founding fathers who signed the treaty creating the organization 49 years ago aimed to unite the people of West Africa around common ideals of shared prosperity. Let's listen to him.
The celebration of this 49th anniversary. This theme has been chosen to reflect our current challenges and also to remind us all of the need to work to preserve regional unity and peace, two cherished objectives set for us by ECOWAS founding fathers. These are goals that the ECOWAS heads of state and government work to safeguard every day.
You heard him, regional unity. There are goals and objectives for them to remain in unity. But I doubt if the AES will agree to come back. Like the secretary to ECOWAS, from the statement she made, she said there are talks, negotiations are going on to bring them back, but that even if they don't come back, that they remain brothers and sisters. That is the truth. We remain brothers and sisters, because from all indications, I don't think they are coming back. I doubt if they will come back. So the right thing to do here is everyone should move on. ECOWAS, move on. AES, move on. That is the thing. The most important thing is do your job well. Let the continent move forward. If you're in AES, do your job. If you're in ECOWAS, do your job. Let the continent move forward. That is what we are looking for. Progress, regardless of where you are. That is it. Thank you very much for your time again with me. I don't take it for granted. Hope to see you in my next as I bring your way again more trending news.